to Little Creek, Virginia. West of today, northwest winds 5 knots, becoming northeast this afternoon. Waves 1 foot. Isolated showers and thunderstorms early this afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms